Hi, my name is Jackie. I'm excited to work with you through the engineering process today as we design and build some catapults out of popsicle sticks. I've decided to try to make my catapult game more fun by designing it with a theme in mind. I personally really like honeybees, so I'm going to make my ping pong ball look like a bee. And the goal for my catapult is to have good aim. To work on this, I'm going to use a beehive-themed target to practice with. I also think it would be neat if my catapult looked like a flower, so that my little bee can fly all the way from the flower back to her hive. I need to think about both goals I've set for my project, which are good aim and a fun theme, as well as the constraints I'm working under. I only have a certain amount of time to work on my design, and I only have access to a few common items. Every design project will have different constraints, which are defined as any restrictions on possible designs. So here I've drawn out some simple figures for my theme, so I have an idea what I'm aiming for. I've defined my problem. I want to accurately hit a target, so my limitations will be accuracy, and I have certain constraints as well, like access to materials. Here's my theme: flower, the catapults, projectile, bee, and some sort of target or bullseye. So from the top, front, and back, I've designed what I want my bee to look like. And also for the flower catapults, I thought I could put some petals under the cap and cover the popsicle sticks with construction paper to look like leaves. And then finally I decided I wanted to make my beehive look natural in some way, but it might be hard to be recognizable if it was a full hive. So instead, I decided to do a honeycomb design with empty cells that could be the target to fill with honey for my bee. Since engineering is an iterative process, it's totally okay to go back to brainstorming new ideas, even when you feel like you're far along in your designs. Start to think about what fun themes you can add to your project, and let's get started. Alright, let's see if we can get some good aim. Oh, pretty good.